I promise we didn't start by jumping in the lake, but we definitely did later. If you're going to install a solar roof in the middle of June with nearly 100-degree temperatures, this is a place to do it. And for the record, we were given permission to use Jim stock, which is good because it was toasty.
I've got additional interest. I'm a Tesla stockholder and have been for a long time. And the energy portion of their business is going to be very large. And so to actually get firsthand experience as to what the installation process is and how it works is, as I refer to it, market research. My wife hits me when I say that, but it's somewhat true. No one exists with a integrated roof. And so the fact that I always wanted solar, but I never wanted the look, it made this kind of a no-brainer. There really is nobody else in the market that's doing this.
As long as you're away from us, I'm captive in my heart, and there's a good chance that we won't survive. We've been alone for a while, me and my heart were tired. Now I can only say the show must go on.
We had an amazing time working on Jim's project with him. His solar roof contains a 13.5 kilowatt system, good sun exposure except for a few trees on the property, and Jim plans to use his solar roof to charge his Tesla car and his electric boat that's coming next month.
For a long time, they thought I was nuts. My wife knows I'm nuts. She still has that particular opinion of me. But the other ones, it's kind of interesting because, well, that's the nut with the electric car. And then all of a sudden, there's a lot of electric cars, and all of a sudden, Tesla stock has done very well. And so the attitude is, well, he's still crazy, but he's right. So there's that.